Imagine a building that eats pollution from the air around it. In Mexico City, one of the world's most polluted cities, the Torre de Especialidades hospital is coated with a revolutionary material that literally devours smog. This titanium dioxide coating breaks down nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds when exposed to sunlight, purifying the equivalent air that 1,000 cars would pollute daily. Dutch inventor Daan Roosgaard created the smog-free tower, a 7-meter-tall structure that sucks in polluted air and releases clean air, capturing ultrafine particles that traditional filters miss. One tower cleans 30,000 cubic meters of air hourly, producing enough clean air for a small neighborhood. The collected particles are compressed into jewelry, turning pollution into art. In China, where air pollution kills over 1 million people annually, engineers developed photocatalytic concrete that breaks down nitrogen dioxide. When integrated into building facades and road surfaces, this concrete can reduce air pollution by up to 60% in urban areas. Meanwhile, MIT researchers created artificial trees that capture carbon dioxide 1,000 times more efficiently than real trees. These synthetic structures use specialized resins that absorb atmospheric carbon when dry and release it when moist, enabling carbon capture and storage on an industrial scale. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch contains 80,000 tons of plastic waste, but 25-year-old Dutch engineer Boyan Slat designed a solution. His ocean cleanup system uses ocean currents to concentrate plastic debris, which is then collected by specialized vessels. The first system removed 28,000 pounds of plastic in its initial deployment. Seabin project created floating garbage bins for marinas and harbors. These automated devices collect floating debris, oil, and microplastics 24 hours daily. Each sea bin captures up to 3.5 pounds of debris per day, including cigarette butts and plastic bottles that would otherwise enter the open ocean. Australian company Biopack developed seaweed-based packaging that dissolves harmlessly in water within 6 weeks. This innovation could replace millions of plastic containers annually, as seaweed grows 30 times faster than trees and requires no freshwater, pesticides, or fertilizers. Scientists at Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution created underwater robots that detect and map ocean plastic pollution. These autonomous vehicles can operate for months, providing real-time data on pollution levels and helping target cleanup efforts more effectively. Meanwhile, researchers developed plastic-eating enzymes that break down PET bottles in hours rather than centuries. These engineered enzymes could revolutionize plastic recycling and reduce ocean pollution at its source. In regions where clean water remains scarce, engineers have developed remarkable solutions. MIT's solar-powered desalination system produces clean drinking water without electricity or filters. The device uses solar energy to heat salt water, creating water vapor that condenses into pure water, producing up to 5 liters daily per square meter. The Janicki Omniprocessor, funded by Bill Gates, transforms human waste into clean water and electricity. This machine processes waste from 100,000 people daily, producing 86,000 liters of clean water and enough electricity to power itself with surplus energy for the community. Researchers at Stanford University created a solar-powered device that extracts water from desert air. Even in humidity levels as low as 20%, this system can produce several liters of water daily using only sunlight. The technology could provide water access to the 2 billion people living in water-stressed regions. Indian engineer Arun Krishnamurthy developed floating treatment wetlands that purify polluted lakes using natural processes. These artificial islands support plants that absorb contaminants while providing habitat for wildlife. His systems have restored over 30 lakes across India, improving water quality for millions of people. LifeStraw personal water filters remove 99.9% of bacteria and parasites from contaminated water, providing safe drinking water for up to 4,000 liters. Deforestation destroys 10 million hectares of forest annually, but engineers are fighting back with innovative solutions. Biocarbon engineering uses drones to plant trees 10 times faster than traditional methods. Their drones fire seed pods into the ground at precise locations, achieving planting rates of 120,000 seeds daily per drone pair. Mosaic Manufacturing created tree-planting robots that can plant seedlings in difficult terrain where human planters cannot access. These autonomous machines use GPS navigation and artificial intelligence to select optimal planting locations, achieving survival rates exceeding 80%. Brazilian startup Morpho developed seed-dispersing drones that mimic natural seed distribution patterns. Their drones can plant native species across vast areas, helping restore degraded rainforest ecosystems. Each drone can cover 100 hectares daily, carrying up to 180 seed pods. Landlife company engineers drought-resistant tree planting systems using biodegradable cocoons that protect seedlings and conserve water. These devices increase survival rates by 90% in arid regions, enabling reforestation in previously impossible locations. Meanwhile, researchers developed fire-resistant trees through genetic modification, creating forests that can survive increasingly severe wildfires. These engineered trees produce natural fire retardants and recover quickly after fire damage, helping maintain forest cover despite climate change. Engineers are transforming waste from environmental burden into valuable resources. Enercom converts non-recyclable municipal waste into clean fuels and chemicals. Their facilities process 300 tons of waste daily, producing 38 million liters of biofuels annually while diverting waste from landfills. Swedish company Envac created pneumatic waste collection systems that eliminate garbage trucks in urban areas. Underground tubes transport waste at 60 kilometers per hour to central processing facilities, reducing traffic congestion and air pollution while improving urban cleanliness. Researchers at Columbia University developed a process that converts plastic waste into jet fuel. This technology could address both plastic pollution and aviation emissions, as the aviation industry seeks sustainable fuel alternatives for its 850 million tons of annual carbon dioxide emissions. TerraCycle pioneered recycling programs for previously non-recyclable materials. Their systems process cigarette butts, chewing gum, and complex packaging into new products, having diverted over 200 million pounds of waste from landfills across 21 countries. Indian company Banyan Nation created technology that converts multi-layer plastic packaging into high-quality recycled pellets. This innovation addresses one of recycling's biggest challenges, as multi-layer packaging represents 30% of plastic waste, but was previously impossible to recycle effectively. Agriculture consumes 70% of global fresh water and contributes 24% of greenhouse gas emissions, but engineers are revolutionizing food production. Aerofarms developed vertical farming systems that use 95% less water than traditional agriculture while producing crops year-round without pesticides. Israeli company Netafim perfected drip irrigation technology that delivers water directly to plant roots, reducing water consumption by 30 to 50% while increasing crop yields. This technology now irrigates over 10 million hectares worldwide, saving billions of liters of water annually. Researchers created edible food packaging from seaweed and other natural materials. This innovation could eliminate millions of tons of food packaging waste while extending shelf life through natural antimicrobial properties. Precision agriculture uses drones, sensors, and artificial intelligence to optimize farming practices. John Deere's autonomous tractors can plant, fertilize, and harvest crops with centimeter-level accuracy, reducing chemical inputs by 20% while increasing yields. Impossible Foods and Beyond Meat Engineered plant-based proteins that replicate meat's taste and texture while using 75% less water and producing 87% fewer greenhouse gases than conventional beef production. Indoor farming company Plenty grows crops using artificial intelligence and robotics, achieving yields up to 350 times higher per square foot than traditional farming. Engineers are accelerating the transition to clean energy through revolutionary innovations. Tesla's Gigafactory produces lithium-ion batteries at unprecedented scale, driving down costs by 30% and enabling widespread electric vehicle adoption. The factory aims to produce more batteries annually than the entire world produced in 2013. Climeworks operates the world's largest direct air capture facility in Iceland, removing 4,000 tons of carbon dioxide annually from the atmosphere. Their technology filters air through specialized materials that bind with carbon dioxide, which is then permanently stored underground. Researchers developed perovskite solar cells that achieve 32% efficiency, significantly higher than traditional silicon panels. These flexible, lightweight cells can be printed on various surfaces, enabling solar integration into windows, vehicles, and clothing. Offshore wind technology has advanced dramatically, with turbines now generating 15 megawatts each, enough to power 16,000 homes. Floating wind farms can access deeper waters with stronger, more consistent winds, potentially powering entire nations. Scientists created artificial photosynthesis systems that convert carbon dioxide and water into fuel using only sunlight. This technology could provide carbon-neutral fuel while removing atmospheric carbon dioxide, addressing both energy needs and climate change simultaneously. These innovations demonstrate engineering's power to solve humanity's greatest environmental challenges through creativity, persistence, and scientific advancement. Thank you for exploring these incredible engineering solutions that are reshaping our planet's future. From pollution-eating buildings to ocean-cleaning systems, these innovations prove that human ingenuity can overcome even our greatest environmental challenges. If you're inspired by these breakthrough technologies and want to see more content about solutions that are changing our world, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Share this video with friends and family who care about environmental protection. Together, we can support and spread awareness of the technologies that will create a cleaner, more sustainable future for everyone.